24 years without this flag fluttering in America's capital, Somali Americans say the end of diplomatic exile represents a moment of hope and ambition.
This marks the beginning of positive change for Somalia. It's the beginning of growth. It's the beginning of economic prosperity. It's the beginning of education and healthcare and amazing things for our everyday people in Somalia.
You must be sick of hearing about pirates. How do you feel about the image of Somalia in the United States and what needs to change?
Right, so I think the image of Somalia in the United States, or even in the Western side of the world, is very distorted. I think the real image of Somalia is represented by the beautiful people that are Somalis and the beautiful land of Somalia.
American diplomats and political leaders came to demonstrate their support at a nearby launch event attended by Somalia's Foreign Minister, Abdisalam Omar.
The Somali government seeks to work closely with its ally and a friend, the U.S., to make Somali dream of stability, prosperity, underpinned by good governance and a strong economy to life.
Somalis celebrated with a rendition of their national anthem, which speaks plainly of the need to rebuild, unify, and leave conflict behind.
After almost a quarter of a century of diplomatic isolation and the legacy of a painful civil war, Somali Americans here see the raising of this flag in Washington, D.C. as a moment of transformation.
Traveling from across the country, Somali Americans say they want to personally contribute to these new diplomatic efforts. Daniel Wrenches, CCTV, at the Somali Embassy in Washington.